Add a donut object. Set the segment count of the ring to 24. Enter modeler mode. Switch to point edit mode. Twist along the x-axis by about -450 degrees. Set the edge crease value to 0. Return to scene mode. Increase the object subdivision level to 4. Clone the donut. Rotate it 90 degrees along the x-axis. Set the color to blue. Add a floor to the scene. Reposition and scale up the floor. Set a bright color for the floor. Switch to orthographic view. Reposition the view. Render the scene. Wait several seconds for the noise level to come down. Press pause and save the image. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.